Okay. So I could fit different models to it. Quadratic clearly looks like it's a better fit. I hope you'll agree.
Hello?
So,
Hello?
how do I decide which one's better, other than I?
Hello?
And then, if I could fit a quadratic to it, what about other orders of polynomials?
Okay,
Maybe there's an
everything's
even
working.
better fit out there. So how do I figure out what's the best
Actually,
fit?
is the VR actually playing? Let's test that. Yeah. Yeah, everything's playing properly. Okay.
And that leads to the second big thing.
Let's go into testing this. Let's make sure the stream is live on
linear
here.
regression, a way of finding fits of curves to data. But now I got to decide how good are these. And I could ask this question two ways. One is just relative to each other. How do I measure which one's better, other than looking at it by eye? And then the second part of it is, in an absolute sense, how do I know where the best solution is? Is quadratic the best I could do, or should I be doing something else to try and figure out?
I want to change this though. Stream manager.
Okay, the relative fit. What are we doing here? We're
Create a dashboard.
Which is a function of the independent variable to the dependent variable.
Edit stream information.
I've got a set of x values. I'm trying to predict what the y value should be.
X values are trying to predict what the displacement should be. Okay.
The idea is that given an independent value, it gives me an estimate of what it should be, and I really want to know which fit provides the better estimate.
Okay.
And since I was simply minimizing mean squared error, average square error, an obvious thing to do is just to use the goodness of fit by looking at that error. Why not just measure where am I on that surface and see?
Good stuff. Good stuff.
Actually, it'd be two surfaces, one for a linear fit, one for a quadratic.
Okay.
All right, we'll do what we always
Let's
do.
continue.
Let's write a bit of code and write something that's going to get the average mean squared error. Takes in a set of data points, a set of predicted values. Simply measures the difference between them, squares them, adds them all up. Returns that divided by the number of samples. Gives me the
predicted
average
index
squared.
I.
Wait, can I see outside of this?
Model I built for linear fit.
It will return the error over the length of data. So the
Oh no, I
average
can't.
error.
That's cool. Okay.
Average mean square error. Okay, yeah.
It's pretty good, right? You knew by eye that the
Oh, we're all the way back here.
This says it's about 6 times better. That the residual
lower
error
value.
is 6 times smaller.
Thank you.
Better error.
Choose from than it is.
I'm going to see if I can find something for these.
Great. But with that, I still have a problem, which is, okay, it's useful.
Let's just loot everything and then get on with the game.
But is 1524 a good number?
Not really.
Certainly better than 9,000 something or other. But how do I know that 1524 is sweet?
Yeah, how do we know?
How do I know there isn't a better fit out there somewhere?
Okay.
Well, good news is we're going to be able to measure that. It's hard to know because there's no bound on the values. And more importantly, this is not scale independent. What do I mean by that? If I take all of the values and multiply them by some factor, I would still fit the same models to them.
Yeah,
It would just scale.
It's linear.
But that measure would increase by that amount. So I could make the error as big or as small as I want by just changing the size.
It's linear, so if you scaled all the values by some factor, the
vary around it. That ratio is scale independent because it's a ratio. So even if I increase all of the values by some amount, that's going to divide out, which is kind of nice. So I could compute that. And there it is. R squared is, again, that expression. I'll take in a set of observed values, a set of predicted values. And I'll measure the error, again, the mean error, which is that thing divided by the number of observations. Why would I do that? Well, because then I can compute this really simply. I could write a little loop to compute it. But in fact, I've already said, what is that? If I take that...
Yeah, go along with everything else.
Little trick. This lets me save doing a little bit of computation. So I can compute R squared values. Okay, so what does R squared actually tell us? What we're doing is we're trying to compare the estimation error,
let's go.
top part,
This way.
with the variability in the original values, the bottom part. So R squared, as you can see there, is intended to capture one portion of the variability.
Is there a way
It's accounted for
to... Okay, I guess not.
My models are really good.
Hello.
Should account for almost all of that. So what we see then is if we do
These boys
fit
seem
with
to
a
be
linear
upset
regression,
at how I've been imitating
R
their
squared is always going
comrades.
to be between 0
Don't you
and
even
1.
know what's going on?
I wanted to
A
show you
dragon
some
is
examples.
Italian.
R squared, if R squared is
A
equal to
dragon.
1, this is great. It
Please,
says the
don't
model
make up
explains
nonsense.
all of the variability in the data. You
Although,
can see it if
come
we
to
go
think
back
of
here.
it,
Graphics are kind of choppy.
How do we make R squared equal to 1? We need this to be 0, which says that the variability in the data is as close to an R squared value of 1 as possible. Because it says my model is capturing all the variability in the data really well. Okay, so two little loops here where I'm going to build up a set of models for each degree, or d in degrees. I'll do the fit exactly as I had before. It's going to return a model, which is a tuple of coefficients. And I'm going to store that in models and then return it.
out that way.
And then I'm going to use that. Because in tests, with that in
In
mind,
VR.
let's see
I
what
can't wait
happens
to
if
check
we run
out
this.
Let's see.
the games that have magic, real magic in
The
them,
red is pretty
built for
good.
them.
Example of
And the R is really, and the green is really
I would like to
bad.
cross
By visually, right?
compare
this one, I'm going to do a
this
fit
with
Right here, right? It's the same thing for generating a model, but he's just having it be a function call now, so you can do multiple models generated within a single call, right? You can by a number of degrees. So you think about plotting not only the green but the red point within a single call.
Data says
this game by itself is kind of neat.
I know you don't believe it.
I'd like to see what the mods bring out in it.
The R squared value of the line is horrible. It accounts for less than 0.04. Me that R squared value tells me that the quadratic is a
No, I don't.
than the linear fit was. Okay, but then you say maybe by just comparing the fits themselves. I already saw that.
Oh,
Part of my goal is how do I know there's 6 feet?
I can't like fireball either.
As a quick aside, this is why I want to use the PyLab.
All good, he's got it. Okay,
Optimizing over a 16-dimensional
I'm going to
space.
drop some
That
items.
16-dimensional space defines a 16-degree polynomial, and I can still use linear regression, walking down the gradient to find the best solution. All right, I'm going to run this. And get out a set of values. Looks good. So look at them. Ha! There's the R squared value for quadratic, or 84%. Degree 4 does a little bit degree polynomial.
Should we keep
And I
any of the
will
battle
monitor
axes?
these waiting in suspense, because we're going to
Let's
answer
get rid
that
of
question
this.
next Monday.
Got
With that,
44.
I'll let you out a few minutes early. Have a great Thanksgiving break.
And how about the
Alright, how to
Iron
find
Mace? Which one should I get rid of?
best fit
9
lines and
damage.
curves for experimental data and whatnot. So this was a really, really nice lecture. I need to go back through
Let's just get rid of these big ones.
update my notes here. I'll tell you about Alpha's names. And so if you guys would like to check
Did they
out
get
my
damaged
notes,
from that?
a little bit later, go ahead and do so on my GitHub link down in the description below. Data science. This was lecture 9, understanding experimental data. Super fun lecture by Professor Grimson. Really like when Grimson teaches the lectures. I really like his I like his code. It's really clean and he really like explains it, and his lectures are really nice and detailed, and he goes over the math too, which is
13
nice.
it does 10.
I like Grimson's lectures here. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this one and what you guys feel about it. This was a really fun one, but we'll be tackling next time probably
Let's take this. Take
Cool.
that.
When I was a teen, they said no using calculators. We're not going to have calculators. You're talking like a trig, and they said you have to buy $100 graphic calculator to do this math. Now I told them want me to program and use the graphing calculator. They're off. Someone told me to buy $100 with Apple stock the same year they bought the car. And then they're just using Desmos. Now, honestly, yeah, it probably was a lot of shill and scam from from those technical companies that create those types of devices, right? But it's kind of an interesting topic. There's actually calculators to be used instead of Desmos for longer periods of time, rather than just adopting to formalities of modern times, like today or not.
Good
Yeah, right,
stuff,
I wonder,
good stuff.
I'm curious. That's actually a really funny conspiracy. is big calculator. Does big calculator have too much skin in the game that they're lobbying politicians to, or politicians need that summer vacay. They need you guys to buy their. Hey, thank you, Zed, for the sub. Let me turn back on the alerts here. Thank you, Zed, for the sub. Thank you, Robbie Bear. I appreciate you, my boy. You're awesome. We got a lot of follows and subs on Twitch today. You guys are awesome. We pushed over 3,300. Thank you guys so much for the love. You guys are so cool. My name is Michael. I'm 26 years old. Got a degree in human biology and a minor in chemistry. I've been teaching myself computer science and programming for a little over a year and a half now. I've been coming a far way, doing courses, books, independent projects, whatnot. This was, like I said, MIT open courses. Let me do a quick outro for the recording here. All right, you guys, this was MIT Introduction to Computational Thinking and Data Science, Week 9, Lecture 9 for Understanding Introductions to Algorithms by CLRS, and do the baked-in in-text exercises. We need to do LeetCode, we need to do more MIT, we need to do our projects, Birdie Rose Post website, we need to do shout out, let's give a GB, shout out Zach, shout out Sleeper, Niraj, Corian, shout out Carlos, all you guys in here. I appreciate you guys being here. Make sure you sub and join my Discord link down below to get access to all of my resources from the books I read, courses I take, my personal notes, and sometimes some stock plays for fun. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you guys are back for the study session tomorrow. While we continue on, I'll be back at 7 p.m. PST. So make sure you guys are here. And tomorrow we're going to continue on. My goal is to really grind through this course and finish it in October. We're on week 9, so honestly, if we do
What?
That
was a one-shot?
we should be able to finish it in
Holy.
2 weeks. Minimum.
One-shot headshot and sneak damage?
So that's
Damn.
my goal. So I'm probably going to do a lecture about every other day. But these problem sets are really what's going to hold us up, because sometimes they can be pretty lengthy. But alright, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you had a good one. I'm going to chop this up and record and upload it pretty quickly here, as well as some more introduction.
I would like my arrow back, please.
Audiobooks. So if you're not familiar, I'm reading the Introduction to Algorithms book by CLRS, which is kind of an MIT-backed textbook, and I'm kind of cutting it up into an actual audiobook, so you guys can go ahead and listen to it, whether it be headphones or actually watching it if you want. But you can definitely have a listen format. So thank you guys so much for being here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Have a good one.
Okay, so
Good this time. But I don't think we should stick around to see if he comes back. The closest town from here is Riverwood. My uncle's the blacksmith. I'm sure he'd help you out. It's best if we split up. Good luck. I wouldn't have made
got like a notification. There's what I see. What is this bush? Yeah, it looks terrible. Oh my. I want to see if this is like... No, it looks terrible. Whoa, it just drops off so much from like a little ways away. I gotta change. What? Yeah, this is hard to play. Let's at least walk down to... In that cave, it was a lot better.
You should go to Solitude and join up with the Imperial Legion. We could really use someone like you. If the rebels have themselves a dragon, General Tullius is the only one who can stop them.
It's hard to see. I think there's a camp up there. Oh.
Come on. I feel better once we're under cover.
There's something up there. Riverwood, Falkreath, Bell. Again. Huh. What the heck? Oh, okay. This guy's got some magic stuff. Downward? Oh, yes, please. I'll take that. Downward orders. Okay. What else? Maybe I should take that. Uh-oh. What helmet am I wearing? I don't need that one right now. Dalmore boots. I would. That has like 0. Dalmore gloves. Armor. There's no armor to those. Are they at least good for like enchanting? Oh. Oh, it is difficult to look for in this. Is there like a totem? Let's just do what is greatest and save. Oh, it's hard to see. Oh, give it. There we go. I got the butterfly. Yes. More butterflies. Collections. I'm carrying too much yet again. What else can I drop? I think I'm good. I'm gonna head this way now. What's up here? Yeah, that's what I was looking for. Wait, is it? Whoa! That scared the jeebits out of me. I would take all your stuff. Screw you. I'll take that. And I'll take that. What else is here for me to take? Ooh. Take that. What's up here? I don't get it. I don't see anything. Is there something else? What is this? Embalming. Oh. So that's what you were doing up here. Doing the emblem of the embalming. Bird's nest. Sweet. Ooh. Oh no! I'm falling! Whoa. Let's save. Every time that happens, I gotta save it because I don't know if it's gonna crash or continue. Holy, that. I don't know if this is just because I'm streaming it to my computer after. Ooh. Ah, so close. Because what I got going on is I'm using. Whoa. I'm using the computer to stream it to my headset, and then I'm streaming my headset to my computer. Same one, and then it is. He's a running. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Out of my way. There we go. It's kind of damned that it has to be right there in the middle of my view, I guess. Oh, it's a cave. Did I come out of that cave? Yes, I did. So that's where I come from. Alright, the graphics are not as good as I'd wish them to be. But hey, it's still an appealing game. Appealing to play. And what's up here? I've played Skyrim before, but I've never really gotten too into it. It's never really been a game of mine that I've found to be intriguing to the point that I just play it non-stop. But with VR, I would imagine it's a little more appealing to play. Let's see if I can collect arrows. Oh no. Uh-oh. Okay, let's save. Let's go into here. Let's grab my butchering axe. And my flames. That's where my arrow went. Neat. We don't need any more. Hey, well, you know what? We can sell it. Oops. What else we got? We got a place down there to go to. We could also go up there and do that mission before we go down there. Or we could go down there. Go to the Whiterun. Get the freaking thingamabobber. And then head over here after we already have the first voice. Maybe. 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 Some mushrooms? What's around here? I think this might be a good area to go walk down from. Where does that go? Oh. Hello. How is it going? May I have some food? No? That's too bad. It's kind of OP, I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Oh, I would like the food. What should I come for? Seafood. Oh, I can make food. Nice. Okay, this is actually really good. Let's start off with this. And then let's go to... Oh. Five points is 10 points. 5 points. I want to do the ones that serve the best. 10 points. 8 points stamina. 15 points. Good. What else? 10 and 10. Okay. Rabbit haunch. We could do 3, and then we could do 3. This is 5. This is 5. Yes. Perfect. You have way too much weight. Okay. Let's go into here. Hunting bow. That's better than a longbow, right? Yep, it is. A little heavier. War axe. Nope. Oh, that could stay. Battle axe. Ooh. I almost want to get rid of Because this is a two-handed, right? It's worth a lot more. Steel. What to do, what to do, what to do. £15 here. What about here? It's gotta be something that's heavy. Iron shield. Yeah, we could drop that. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Iron shield. Let's just get rid of all the shields. 12. No. Ew. This is the same as what I have, right? Let's get rid of this. It's not useful. These boots, we could just get rid of. I don't think they're useful either. Because I have boots on, right? Yeah. Imperial boots. Studded cuirass. Studded armor. Yeah, the robes. Damur. These are just useless. They might cost a lot more. I don't know. We could just use the rest of these, right? What about bread? I don't know if they're heavier or something. Right, there's probably some misc items that we can get rid of. Yeah, like this. Don't need that. We'll keep that. I wanted to look at this one physically. So lantern does not heat up or have lightest stuff like this. Alright, off we go again. Back to Neverland. Let's just run. Run as fast as you can. Faster than the gingerbread man. Look, it's a town. There's got to be people there that might be lighting the sky on fire. We gotta go for the bunny. No, the bunny's gone. The bunny made it too far. Ah, you're coming back for seconds. Perfect. Thank you for the light meal, bunny. Where are we going? Ah, it's the town. The town of something. Perfect. I need iron. Where are you? Somebody watching me? You better not. Where's the iron? There's the iron. Steel and steel and steel. Oh wait, no, they're both steel. I'm not doing anything, just doing stuff. It's not the bad stuff. No, I didn't. I didn't do nothing. It just invisibly disappeared. Somehow, somewhere, just disappeared. Go to bed. I need to build this. Quickly. Quickly. Iron dagger. Quickly. Ah, is there steel? I've already done it. I built steel. This is not worth much at all. 1. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Here we are. we're in a perfect place. We're gonna pause, we're gonna quick save, and we're gonna stop the gaming right now. And then thank you for watching, because yes, it was good times, and good testing this out. We're gonna see if we can go back into this game, but with another computer, possibly streaming. So it should look a bit better than it does now, hopefully. And then if that's true, then we can continue on with modding and stuff. So looking forward to that. Thank you for watching again, and I will see you all later. Bye bye.